Here we're discussing the central air. Here's the central air conditioning in my uncle's house. So anyway, here's your turn. Here's the thermostat with just a low battery. So I'm probably not be seeing it on cool. If I ever come back here, maybe when it's warm, maybe I'll show it on cool. Here's the vents. Here are each of the vents. This one vent here, this one vent here. There's one vent here. There's one vent here.
You find it here.
I think the envelopes here are NYC.
They still have
One over here, and finally, what seems to be a newer one over here. So anyway, that's all. Interestingly enough, the filter does not want to, you know. By the way, this turns on with this light. And also, what else turns on is the light up here. Cool House fan, I videoed that before. My room. What's the airflow? By the way, this will be interesting. This will be ideal. I'm trying to get a bigger one. Anyway, make kind of a flag. And let's do the test for this one. See what's coming out of this. That's reasonable. There are the veins. What's coming out of this one? Okay, not much actually compared to last. Wait. Let's see how much it's sucking. Here. It seems to be stronger than the rest. What is it putting out?
Just put mine at. See, you look like spam. Oh, I like getting spam without a while.
There's actually more air than usual coming out of this.
Want to go get the car seat? Alright, thank you.
Now let's see. I actually think this is about the same as the rest, maybe a little bit less. So we'll get that done here.
morning traffic.
There's no need for this battery. Just stop this. Make a video.
Careful, careful. See what, Judy? Oh. All night.
Anyways. What are we gonna do? Watch what he's done.
Where pajamas?
We're here. It's not free blades. Yeah. Anyway, there are no vents here. Anyway, there you go.
Oops. Tama ka pa ng roaming charge. Mas yung $30 in 10 minutes. Si Valley stream lang pa rin. Only Valley stream. If the residents
Off.
kasi po ba? Paglabas mo lang, parang nakawan.
There goes the filter. Coming down.
Was it flat, so?
I told them about this. And also, something very interesting. When you turn on the whole house exhaust fan, this all seems to turn on, or is it just the whole house fan doing its job? You don't see the filter going up like it would normally. No, it doesn't. That's the whole house fan sucking air. Not all the other vents.
I see.
Yep, look at this. But anyway, there you go. The series back on. Oh, the other lights on. Oh, this is the daylight. This one is the daylight. Anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching.